Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add comments to notes in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to add feedback or extra notes without cluttering your page? Comments in the Goodnotes are perfect for that. So let's see how to use them and let's learn the structure together. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna head to the store as it's both available on Android and iOS device. We're gonna search for the Goodnotes app. Once you find this, you're gonna make sure to click on install, and once the installation is completed, you're gonna click on the open here to open the app. After you launch the app, make sure you're logged in. Now after you log in and to add a comment to notes in your Goodnotes, you're gonna open your notes in Goodnotes like this, for example. Then select the text or area you want to comment on and tap the comment or annotation option. As you can see here, there are a lot of type of comments. You can also use the view mode for this particular set. As you can see, you can turn on view mode here by clicking on the read only. Then you're gonna click on any part and it's gonna give you an option to add a comment. You're gonna click on it, then you can type in the comment you want, a random comment. Then you're gonna click on send, and there you're having a comment here. You have an icon. You're gonna click on it to see the comments. Now use the comments for feedback or reminders and keep them clear and short, and use them to collaborate on documents. Comments help you add extra information without cluttering your notes, so use them to stay organized and efficient. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.